Right, okay folks, this is a brand new ride down here in Montpellier Gardens in Cheltenham. We've got Craig Danters Confolding Group, VENOM. Made its first outing in April 2022. I haven't been on it, I've just had a burger. CJ's missus is trying to push me to go on it. I'll tell you what, I'll go on it and I'll throw up on one of these these huskies. Right, let's get back to the action then. VENOM. Now this isn't running full power yet, it's still a new machine, still got a bed in, but this can be pulling 5 Gs when it starts running to its max. Now it's just going over the 90 at the moment, but it will go up, so the bar's almost touching the glass top right at the very top. Right, buddy?
Yes, keep it level.
Keep it what? It's Cheltenham. Lovely blue skies down here today in Cheltenham. Let's bring you around to the side a little bit further. Cycle's not too long on this, so I might just manage this one. Right, VENOM on Funfair Audits, a credit for the channel. There we go, VENOM, Craig Danter.